guys, good morning. So today may pasok ulit ako guys. Hello guys, good morning. So today may pasok ulit ako. I made some breakfast. Leftover lang siya from yesterday. Yung ginawa ko ng miso soup. Tapos I'm watching vlog. My coffee and I have my creamer here. I'm a lactose intolerant, so I always use the non-dairy product or creamer. Hello guys, so tapos na ako mag-shower. So I'm gonna sleep now. I'm gonna wake up at 4 p.m. to prepare for work. See you later guys, good night. Alexa, set alarm to 4 p.m.
Alarm set for 4 p.m.
Good night guys. Hello guys, so kakagising ko lang. It's currently 4 p.m. and we're gonna prepare now for work. Spin. Let's have coffee. Usually guys, before ako nagsisimula mag-prepare ng work, nag-coffee muna ako. Okay, let's prepare our baon. Ito yung niluto ko na quinoa kaninang umaga guys. It's still cold but I'm gonna reheat it sa work. This is my work lunchbox. So, nabili ko siya sa Amazon, guys. I have my quinoa. And I have my chicken with broccoli. I also have my oats with almond milk. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng chia seeds at saka blueberry, guys. Tapos may peanut butter at saka honey. Ito yung prepare ko kanina umaga, guys. This is my snacks, guys. Kind soft baked squares, chocolate almond flour brownie, and I have my tea here, guys. I bought this one when I went to London. So I have several tea here. I have 4 teas, different flavor. This one goes to my pocket. And I have my vitamin C. And this one, guys, this is powdered Tylenol. So lagi akong may dala nito, guys, kasi super helpful talaga pag masakit yung ulo mo. Ang bilis niyang mag-effect, guys. I bought this one when I went to Bangkok. Thai taste, wafer siya, durian flavor. So I'm gonna bring one for work. Ito, guys, kahit durian wafer siya, hindi naman matapang yung amoy. Wala siyang amoy, guys, pero lasa mo yung durian. Kasi may mga ka-workmate ka na sensitive sa amoy, lalo na pag mga puti, guys. So, be mindful lang. I also have matcha with me, guys. This is a matcha powder. I bought this one when I went to Osaka. Usually, guys, pag ayaw ko mag-coffee sa work, gumagawa ko ng matcha. So, pinapainit ko lang yung gata sa microwave, tapos nilalagyan ko ng matcha powder. Guys, let's eat. After ko matapos kumain, guys, I'm gonna take shower na and prepare my bag. Guys, look at the weather. So nice. Okay, guys, I'm done eating. I'm gonna wash this dish and take shower. Hello, guys, I'm gonna take shower now. Hello, guys, so I have my scrub shirt from Figs and my scrub pants from Figs as well. And syempre, guys, as a nurse, importante talaga compression socks. What's in my work bag, nurse edition. So this is my work bag, guys. I bought this one in the Philippines. So this is from the brand called Divum. So, nung nagpunta ako ng Mall of Asia, guys, may nakita akong student na ganito yung bag. Tapos, tinanong ko siya saan niya nabili. So, sabi niya, nabili daw niya sa Shopee. I'm not familiar about Shopee, guys, kasi walang Shopee dito sa US. So, nag-download ako ng Shopee app, guys. And, nakita ko to. I bought this one for 10,000 pesos. Worth it naman siya, guys. Tapos, pinadeliver ko sa hotel. Nung bumalik ako dito sa Amerika, guys, tinignan ko sa Amazon. Meron siya, pero mas mahal. So, as you can see, guys, I'm a fan of Pokemon. So, I have this Pokemon mini LED. So, buksan na natin yung bag ko, guys. Taran! So, I have my stethoscope with me, guys. And I have my name in here, Patrick. Importante talaga yung assessment sa nursing, guys. So, stethoscope. And I have my Pokemon pencil case. Super fan talaga ako ng Pokemon since bata pa ako. So, I bought this one in Osaka, guys, nung nagpunta ako ng Japan. So, I have my pens and pencils here. Tapos sa likod, guys, I have my pencils. Pokemon din yung design, guys. Tapos may pangalan ko. Dikit. Meron siyang sharpener din, guys. I also have my pencil case or ballpen case. I have my colored pens, guys. So every time I go to work, I always bring colored pens with me. Usually, guys, pag 3 days straight yung duty ko, iba-iba yung kulay ng ballpen ko. Like, for example, sa first day ko, guys, I use orange, depende kung ano yung gusto kong kulay. Tapos, if the same patient pa rin kinabukasan, yung mga updates, guys, let's say, I'll use blue pen. Tapos, the next day, nandun pa rin yung patient, same patient, I use red. So, yep. And I also have my hospital badge or hospital ID. So, nakalagay RN. And I have my AirPods with me. So, this is also Pokemon. And I have my toiletry kit. This is from Emirates. I got this when I flew business class from Houston to Tokyo, guys. So, I have here my Tiger Balm for back pain. I also have my lip balm. I have my inhaler. I have my interdental brush. I always have this, guys, kasi may braces ako. I also have orthodontic flosser. And I have hand lotion and more creams or lip balm. I also have my toothpick for braces. I think that's it. So, this is my charger bag, guys. So, dito ko nilalagay yung mga charger ng iPhone ko, yung power bank ko, tapos mga adapters, etc. I bought this one in Osaka, guys. I always bring my iPad Pro 13-inch with me, guys, sa work. Pag lunch break, I always watch YouTube videos, mga vlog, guys. So, lagi ko talagang dala to sa work. So, I also have my Apple Pencil. And, of course, guys, Pokemon wallpaper. I also have my Chomps wallet. I bought this one in Amazon. So, I have my debit card. I also have my credit card here, guys. And I have extra cash. And I also have my AirTag here. It's my AirTag. And my insurance. I have 2 credit card holders. So this one, guys, is from Amoven. Lalabas na yung credit card nyo. And the other one is from Travando. So, slide nyo lang siya ng patagilid. Lalabas na yung cards nyo. I also have gum with me. I always chew a gum before giving report. And I always bring 2 phones with me. So this is iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the black titanium and the desert titanium. So every time na umalis ako, guys, dalawa talaga yung phone na dala ko. Ito, guys, this is my US number. Tapos ito, guys, ito yung ginagamit ko every time nagta-travel ako. Pinanggagamit ko siya as like travel phone or dito ko nilalagay yung eSIM. So I have my Pokemon case I did unboxing sa case na to guys. Tignan nyo na lang sa channel ko. Ito guys, may kasama siyang stand. Credit card holder din siya guys. Pwede nyo ilagay yung credit card dito. So this one, stand siya. And syempre guys, I have my Pokemon wallpaper. And ito din guys, Pokemon wallpaper. So I always wear my Apple Watch every time I go to work. So ito yung gagamitin ko ngayon. So this one is the Apple Watch Series 10. Sometimes, depende sa mood ko guys, sometimes ito yung ginagamit ko or minsan ito. This is also Apple Watch Series 10. Ito yung luma ko na Apple Watch guys. I bought this one when I was still working in Doha, Qatar. So depende sa mood ko, but for today, I'm gonna use this one. Yung bag na to, may sarili siyang app sa phone. Pwede nyo siyang i-download sa App Store. So, pwede kayong mag-customize kung ano yung gusto nyo ilagay dito. Like, for example, sa akin, since I'm a Pokemon fan, I customize this one na puro Pokemon lang yung lumalabas. So, see, Pokemon guys, ito yung mga lumalabas sa bag ko. So, pwede kayong mag-customize guys. Like, for example, Christmas na, gusto nyong Christmas theme. So, pwede kayong mag-search dito guys. So, ilagay natin Christmas. So, guys, yun. So, click nyo lang to. Depende kung anong gusto nyong style. Click nyo lang. Tapos, click nyo to. And, apply. So, yun, guys. Or, let's say, gusto nyo ng Santa Claus. So, click nyo lang to. And you have your Santa Claus here. I also have my small bag here guys. I always bring this at work. So this is from the North Face. I bought this one when I went to Bangkok. So I always bring this water bottle with me guys. This is from Yeti. And I bought this sticker in Amazon. So this is my dog. I also have my mug here. This is from Fellow. I always use this one for coffee. Para hindi antukin sa work. And I also have my dog here guys. This sticker I bought in Amazon. It's spill proof. Kahit naalog-alog siya guys, hindi siya natatapon. So I highly recommend this guys pag lagi kayong nagkakape while nagda-drive. So this one is a good brand from Fellow. I always carry with me 2 pairs of eyeglasses. So I bought this one in the Philippines when I went for a vacation. So I have this design. I'm gonna wear this one. And I also have this design. Meron din akong spare eyeglasses sa kotse ko all the time. I also have my car key here guys. And it's AirTag. So I'm gonna put this one here. I think that's it. Tara guys, let's go to work. Importante talaga guys na lagi akong may dalang jacket kasi sa work ko guys super lamig lalo na pag after 12 midnight pag hindi na masyadong busy yung unit doon na lumalamig kasi wala ka nang ginagawa. So this is my work shoes guys dito sa taas. So I have 4 work shoes. This is my favorite guys. I bought this one when I went to Zurich, Switzerland. This is from the brand On Cloud. So I bought 2 when I was there. So I have the white one and the black one. And this one guys, I also love this. I bought this one when I went to Dublin, Ireland. This is from New Balance. Gusto ko yung kulay niya guys. So nung nagpunta ako ng Dublin guys, nag-window shopping lang kami ng friend ko. Tapos nakita ko to. So sabi ko, bilhin ko kasi ang ganda. Na-in-love talaga ako sa kulay guys. So I think I'm gonna wear this one. So guys, I'm gonna pass convenience store because I'm gonna buy energy drink. So, bilisan lang natin. May time pa naman, we're not late. ako sa hospital. So, may time pa naman. Hindi pa ako late. Hello guys, so we have a bar here in the unit. Create your own drink, guys. Dessert, guys. Hello guys, so my shift is over. Grabe, super antok ko na. So tara guys, let's go home. I'm gonna head home na guys. Tapos mamaya, siguro pagising ko, probably like 2 p.m. I'm gonna go to the park para mag-jogging. So tara guys, clock out na tayo. Dati guys, before ako nag-nursing, nag-SHRM muna ako. So 2 years ako sa HRM, tapos parang na-bored ako. Kaya nag-shift ako sa nursing. Nandito na ako sa Amerika. So before ako nag-US guys, nag-work ako sa Pinas for 3 years sa Chongwa Hospital. Tapos nung after sa Chongwa, nag-work ako sa Qatar sa Middle East. 5 years din ako doon. Tapos nagpunta na ako dito sa US. Hello guys, so I arrived home na. I'm gonna take shower and sleep. Bye!